Okay, I'm going to do a little tutorial on my new scissors because they're on sale for 5 more hours today. So it's been a 30-hour sale and there's a few left, so I'm like, let's just do it. So this is called Carve and Slide, and these are beautiful. They have my little Angel Blades logo on them, and they're what I call my silver series. And the blades are actually rounded, so they don't cut a straight line, which threw me for just a minute. I'm like, wait a minute, why don't I want to cut a precise line? But they're great for carving and sliding. And so what I've done is I just got done doing my live class for my Sharp Scissors Society, which is my membership program. And I'll put the link when I post this video, but you can go to seriousbeauty.com, and Sharp Scissors Society, I expand on the techniques that I do every day on my Instagram. They're called Expanded Back Pocket Techniques, and I teach them in 10 to 15 minute videos. So I just got done doing the live, which combined all 3 techniques for the month into one video. One live broadcast. So I've got Scotland, I've got Spain, I've got Portugal. Okay, perfect. So what we did inside of class is I created just a long layer haircut. We did face framing, so I did layers around the face and taught how to actually balance those out with a side part. Then we did star texture, where I took a star pattern on top, pulled it up, notched into it. And then Sarasota, Florida, New York, I love it. And then I did a technique called silking, where we go in and we create little small blunt ends to give fine hair more bulk. So please tell the brand of your mannequin. This is a hair art mannequin, and this is the Mia, and I use her for a lot of different things. I find that in the salon for an apprenticeship program, you can take her from long hair and do numerous cuts on her and take her into short hair. So she works really well. So the Carve and Slide scissor is perfect when you're trying to create movement in the hair and you don't want a straight line, you want to see it curving. So like I did around the face, I'll do a few more. Go to this side because I really did do the other side quite a bit. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to create in this face framing some pieciness to it, so you can actually see the ends of the hair instead of it all blending down. So I'm going to come in from the back side and just close the scissor. And it actually pushes the hair as you cut, so it does not cut a straight line. So here we go, coming in, and it just pushes the hair away. I'll come a little bit closer. Once again, these are on sale for just like 5 more hours. They're $3.99 instead of $4.99. So you can just go to seriousbeauty.com and order them. So coming in here, and I'm going to come, and it'll just push the hair out of the way and create a beautiful little carved area. So if you want to see it a little closer, hang on. Let's come in here. I have to pick areas that I haven't done too much to already. Okay, so put down the comb. And yes, this live will be saved. It's going to be on my Instagram, so it'll be in my videos. Okay, so you can see what that just did. I'm going to come on both sides. So if you look at where the C curvature would be, I'm going to come on the bottom of the C curvature when I'm on the outside, and on the inside, I hit right on the C curvature. So what that does is it gives a push and a collapse inside. Oh, you purchased them an hour ago. Awesome. Thank you. The razor is actually on sale as well. It's $120 instead of $150, and that includes the 50 pack of the plie blades. So those 2 items are on sale, my Carve and Slide and the white razor. And this is a cutthroat. So yes, you do need to know how to hold those. It's tricky. I'm going to be doing a razor class in the coming year because obviously now I'm selling a razor. I'd better teach you how to use it properly so nobody cuts themselves. Okay, so coming in, carving and carving. Catching on the outside of that curvature, and this was created with a round brush, so it would be pretty much the natural bend of the hair. And on the inside. So it's just going to create little individual pieces that are going to show up and be really beautiful in the hair. You could use these for freehand slicing. So if I wanted to come in Back up a little bit here. And I don't know, for live requests and videos, I don't quite know how to do that. I know I keep saying I'm going to learn, but I don't know what to do with that information. I'll just leave it. Okay, so for a little bit of slide cutting, or freehand slicing, excuse me, we can come in and they just push through the hair so beautifully. Without that, they don't catch the hair and actually shred the hair. They're going to push the hair as they cut. More. And I've loved using them. I've been working with them for about 6 months now and have really just developed some different techniques. I shared one on my Instagram 2 days ago, and it was called Carve and Slide, where I took a short haircut and actually went in and carved out so much of the hair because this woman had a ton of hair. So let me do a few more of the pieces. And I think this would be really pretty in the fringe area as well. Let me do a slow-mo right here so you can see. So many times what I'll do is I'll let the hair curve like that. Then I'll put the scissor right in and boom. So you have that beautiful arc of short hair pushing into long hair, encouraging movement. Okay. I think, hi Ben Brown, I just saw that you joined. Good to see you. If you guys are not following Ben Brown, you have to. You talk about beautiful precision in a haircut, and just to watch the way his hands move, you think I have magic hands. Wait till you see his. So just carving and pushing, so watch how that just pushes along that edge, and it's going to give you a little bit of separation and push to the hair. Okay, so basically that's all I've got for you today. We've got the Carve and Slide. It's going to create that separation and kind of a individual effect to the hair, and it works on wet or dry hair. I've been using them both on wet or dry. They're on sale for 5 more hours. And go to seriousbeauty.com in the tools section and you'll find them there. That along with my razor, you can get a discount on both of those. So you guys, happy holidays. And it was so great for you to join me for this quick little tutorial. You have a wonderful week in between Christmas and New Year's. I hope all of you are taking it off like me. So you guys,